You'll find out exactly what to do to get rid of your knee pain so you can run again. Before you keep going, make sure you know what stage of pain you're in. Find out in the link in the description. So this video is about stage 0 and stage 1. Stage 0, seek medical attention. Home remedies will not help you. So seek medical attention in the form of your primary care physician, urgent care, or the emergency department. Okay, if you're in stage 1, that's a new injury, lots of pain. Your primary focus is recovery. At this stage, you have a lot of pain either from a new injury or an old pain that's flared up. Your primary focus is pain relief. So this would be the recovery aspect of the stressed system. Pain relief to get back to running ASAP looks like ice, heat, and massage. So how long does it take to get rid of knee pain? In this stage of your knee pain journey, it will take 7 to 14 days working on your knee pain relief to get rid of your knee pain. Keep watching to learn which technique to use, how often, and how long to use it for. So how long should I use ice for knee pain? Ice works best when it's on for the right length of time and used frequently for the first 7 to 14 days after pain starts. So ice for 20 minutes at a time. 15 minutes is too short, and 30 minutes or more has the same effect as using it for 20 minutes. So no need to be tied down to a chair any longer than necessary. Ice should be done 5 times a day when you're at this stage of your pain relief journey. Ice after breakfast, ice before lunch, ice after lunch, ice before dinner, ice before bed. Is it bad to ice all day? You don't want to leave ice on all day without a break. If you're using a cold pack or a chemical ice pack, you could give yourself frostbite. If you like ice, it works for your knee pain, then use it all day, but give your knee a break every 20 minutes. So 20 minutes on, 20 minutes off, if you'd like. What about heat? Can I use heat? Yes, you can use heat for knee pain, especially if you notice your pain is worse when you've been sitting or standing for too long, or moving around or hot shower feels good. When you use heat for your knee pain, use it for the right amount of time and often enough. So heat for 20 minutes at a time. 15 minutes is too short. 30 minutes or more has the same effect as using it for 20 minutes. So heat should be done 5 times a day when you're at this stage of your knee pain journey. Heat after breakfast, heat before lunch, heat after lunch, heat before dinner, heat before bed. What's the best heating pad to use for knee pain? There are different kinds of heating pads that work well. The kind that works best for most people is a moist heat pack, the kind you put in the microwave. If you don't have access to a microwave, but you do have access to electricity, you can use an electric heating pad. Can you use a heating pad for too long? Yes, you can use a heating pad for too long. Use heat for 20 minutes at a time. If you use it for more than that, or if you don't have adequate sensation in your skin, you can use it too long or too hot and burn yourself. So use heat 20 minutes on, 20 minutes off. If you want to use it continuously, just make sure you have that 20-minute break. So how do you know if the heating pad is hot enough? A heating pad needs to be warm enough to create these changes in your skin. Increased warmth, slight sweating, pink or red in color for somebody who's light-skinned like me. It shouldn't be so hot that you can't leave it on for 20 minutes at a time. Is ice or heat better for knee pain? Both ice and heat are excellent at-home remedies for knee pain. Keep watching to find out which to use for you. So when should you use ice for knee pain? The best way to decide is to do the opposite of what your knee is. Is it hot to touch? Cool it down with some ice. Is it cool and stiff? Warm it up. That's the quickest way to explain it. But here are a few more points. Ice is good when you like a cool feeling. Your leg or your knee is red, hot, and swollen. Swelling's been increasing, or you have tendinitis. Heat is good when you like a warm feeling. It feels stiff and tight. Swelling is non-existent or hasn't increased. Or you have conditions like tendinopathy, a Baker's cyst, or you're going to use it before a workout. And here's a bonus tip. If you like both heat and ice, have used both for a few days, multiple times a day, and neither's working anymore, then use heat followed by ice. Do 20 minutes heat followed by 20 minutes ice immediately after. This creates a wave effect to help your knee feel better. The heat-ice combo is especially helpful for knee bursitis. Does massage help for knee pain? Knee pain in stage 1 of the pain journey can benefit from massage if the problem is caused by a pulled muscle. Massages work out the tightness in the muscle to loosen it up. But how do you know if you pulled a muscle? A pulled muscle has 2 classic symptoms. It's painful when you use the muscle, and it's painful when you stretch the muscle. Some common pulled muscles at the knee are the quadriceps muscle, hamstrings muscles, and the calf muscles. At this stage of your pain journey, gentle massage once a week can help. It shouldn't make you feel worse, so if it does, try your lighter touch or discontinue it. Okay, as I mentioned before, your primary focus at this stage of knee pain is recovery for pain relief. There are other things to work on to maintain your level of fitness because most people are in this stage for about 2 weeks, and that cycle starts over again every time the pain gets flared up. So what else can you do? What exercise can I do when my knee hurts? Strength exercise when your knee hurts should be what you can and avoid the painful things. Pain is not your friend here. It's not a no pain, no gain situation. Pain is your body's warning sign. So typically do strength exercises for other parts of your body, like your upper body, core, hips, and ankles. To get a routine customized for you, get evaluated by your physical therapist. Some strength exercises to focus on with a hurt knee may include biceps curls, overhead press, rows, chest press, triceps extension, Russian twist, dying bug, moving your arms, 4-way straight leg raise, 3-way heel raise, and others. Notice that we avoided motions at the knee. Should I run through knee pain? When you're at stage 1 of knee pain, you should do active rest. This means avoiding the painful activity. So if running makes the pain worse, rest. Or if running is the same amount of pain and everything is greater than a 5 out of 10, rest. So instead of running at this time, do other cardio activities. What other cardio activities that don't add pressure to the knee? Cardio or cardiovascular activities is anything that increases your heart rate and keeps it up. So you can make just about any activity a cardio one. Some examples include walking, cycling, swimming, elliptical, rowing, and strength routines with no rest break. High repetitions, low weight, and no rest break. Are there specific shoes or equipment I should use for my knee pain? There are no particular running shoes that will make someone in stage 1 of knee pain be able to run without pain. What about knee braces? What's the best knee brace for runners with knee pain? No knee brace in particular will take away knee pain in stage 1. If you notice your knee swells up at the end of the day, you could consider wearing a knee compression sleeve. Please note, a compression sleeve does not reduce swelling. They help prevent it. Don't put a compression sleeve on an already swollen knee. What are the best stretches to get rid of knee pain? Stretching at stage 1 of the knee pain journey must be gentle. Stretching at this stage can help a pulled muscle and help loosen up tight joints and muscles. The stretches to the painful area should be gentle. Hold for only a short length of time and done frequently throughout the day. You may consider doing movements instead of static stretches. This way you'll do the movement of getting into the stretch and then right out of it. No forceful movements or stretches. If your body doesn't get into the full stretch at this time, don't worry, it's not ready yet. Continue stretching other parts of your body so they don't stiffen up. Some movements and stretches to do now would be a heel slide, prone ham curl, butt kicks, gastroc stretch, soleus stretch, lower trunk rotations, hamstring stretch, or maybe a straight leg raise. What supplement heals knee pain? The only supplement I have experience with is collagen peptides. Collagen is a building block for muscles, tendons, and ligaments. So if something was going to help, it'd be this. Otherwise, increase your protein intake and decrease processed food and refined sugar intake. Protein, like collagen, builds and repairs injured tissue in your body. Processed food and refined sugars feed inflammation, so these foods can make pain worse. Replace the processed food and refined sugar with good fats and berries, so you won't feel like you're missing out on the flavors or the sweetness. Good fats include extra virgin olive oil, avocado, raw nuts and seeds, nut butters, and berries include things like strawberry, blueberry, raspberry, blackberry, and others. There you have it, the top recommendations to get rid of knee pain for runners at home. These recommendations are for runners with knee pain at stage 1 of the 0 to 4 stages. Your main focus is recovery, pain relief techniques. There are still strength exercises, ways to train, stretches to do, and there may be some knee braces and supplements that can help. Comment below with any questions you have. If you liked this information and found that it was helpful, Go ahead and like the video and share with someone else who you think will benefit from this information.